Hi Kipsters, welcome back. So in this problem, it is asking me to distinguish if my expression is using the commutative property or the associative property. As a quick reminder, commutative property, the order does not matter. In associative, the grouping does not matter. So I see I have three expressions. I don't want to focus on this one. I only want to focus on these two expressions. And just like I am reading a book, I want to read my expressions from left to right. And I'm going to be going term by term. So if I notice something different, I'm able to pinpoint exactly what property is being used. So the very first thing I see the number 5. All right, that is the same. Now I have a set of parentheses. That is a group of its own. So I want to focus inside this set of parentheses so y'all are aware of what I'm looking at. And I'm going to take term by term. So I have an A, perfect, plus, in this one I see it's parentheses 2x times y. Over here in my other expression, I see that it is y times 2x. Well, the only thing that is different between the first one and the second one is that the y changed places. So that you can see the y changed places. If the y changed places, then that means the order changed. If the order changed, then I know it's going to be using my commutative property. I'm going to represent it as a C for this problem. Right. Now let me look at this problem right here. We're going to be doing the exact same thing. We're going to be reading it from left to right. So I see the very first thing is the number 5. All right, they are the same. Perfect. I also see a set of parentheses. I want to underline that. So I only focus what is inside the parentheses. I see it's A. In my original problem, remember it's parentheses 2x times y. In this one, I see 2 parentheses x times y. Well, something changed right there. I noticed that the grouping, other known as my parentheses, changed groups. So I see this 2 used to be inside the parentheses. Now that 2 is outside, that if the grouping changes, so if my parentheses change it, then I know it's going to be an associative property. Just to recap, if the order changes, it's going to be a commutative property. If the group changes or the set of parentheses change, then it's going to be an associative property.